MAGPi is a large survey program that we're doing with the ESO telescopes in Chile. And the goals of MAGPi is to look at how galaxies transform over cosmic time.
MAGPi program is going to be groundbreaking in astronomy. It's providing the largest 3D survey of galaxies at a critical time period in galaxy evolution, when galaxies are transforming from spiral galaxies into elliptical galaxies.
Yes. What MAGPi is really letting us do, and what UT4, this telescope, and the instrument MUSE are really letting us do, is for the first time push out a bit further than what we've been able to do. The Very Large Telescope, or VLT, is one of the largest telescopes in the world. It's actually 4 8-meter telescopes on a mountain in Chile.
We're using an instrument on the telescope called MUSE, and it's this beautiful large format integral field unit, really the first of its kind. And it's very powerful. We couldn't do this project without this instrument, as well as adaptive optics capabilities that have just come online called the Galaxy.
3D surveys are when you get spectra and images of galaxies at the same time. So it's like having your mobile phone and getting a spectrum at every pixel. We can actually get a spectrum all across the galaxy, and this can tell us where the gas is, what type of gas it is, and also how the galaxy is moving, whether it's rotating and how it's moving relative to other galaxies nearby.
So in the really early universe, we can use things like gas to look at what galaxies' properties are, how they're moving, how they're rotating, how they sort of interact with one another. And in the nearby universe, we can look at stars and gas. So this tells us sort of a combination of things about what's happening now. So gas traces really young and recent activity, and stars really give us a record of what's been happening. There are 5 PIs in total for MAGPi, and this all sort of grew organically out of us wanting to do a large project and sort of find a program that could meet all of our science interests. There's myself and Emily Wisniewski, also at ANU, Caroline Foster, who's at University of Sydney, Chen Yuan, who's at Swinburne, and Claudia Lagos, who's at ICRA UWA.
And what's really exciting about this is it combines exciting young people with expertise in theory, in observations, people who are experts in nearby galaxies, as well as people who are experts in distant galaxies, and different types of techniques of analysis of galaxies to understand galaxies at this critical epoch. And it wouldn't really be able to be done without combining this different expertise.